What is a relation? A relation associates the elements of one set with the elements of another set. A relation can be described using words, ordered pairs, tables of values, graphs, equations, and arrow diagrams. We're going to look at the example between the number of days in the months of a year. So if we were to describe this example using words, we would just simply say that the months of January, March, May, July, August, October, and December all have 31 days. We would then go on to say that the months April, June, September, and November all have 30 days. And of course, then we have February, which is unique, having 28 days. We could then go on to place this in a set of ordered pairs. So if I was going to write this as a set of ordered pairs, I would write my first element, January, with 31. February, 28. March would be paired with 31. And it will continue all the way down, okay, until we describe December, with 31. So there would be our set of ordered pairs. We could also take this further and write this as a table of values. A table of values give us, we would describe the month with the number of days. So January, of course, would be 31 days. February, again, 28. March, 31. April, 30. And again, that would continue until we got to the end with December, and 31 days. So this would be a table of values. To write this as a graph, we would have to create our axis. And on our horizontal axis, we could put our number of days, our months would go on the horizontal. So January, February. Okay, so this would be our month. Okay, on our vertical axis, we would have our number of days. Okay, for our purposes, I will start our graph at 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Okay, so we are graphing the number of days in a month. Okay. So for January, we would draw a bar up to 31. February, it would be 28. Oops. Okay, then we'll continue on with March, again back up to 31. Okay. And of course, you would try to make sure that these bars were all the same size. Okay. And we would continue on until we had, of course, all the months represented on our graph, showing our relation. We could go again and show the same relation using an arrow diagram. Okay. And an arrow diagram just shows how these are related. So if I have all my months listed, okay, we would show how they relate as this many days. And how they're going to have 28, 29, 30, or 31. So these are the number of days and our months, and I won't include them all, but they would go all, of course, all the way down to December. be over here. So January would have 31. February would have 28. March would have 31. April would have 30. And of course, you would continue on until you had December, which has 31 days.